kids, welcome to maths class and today we'll do perimeter and area. So the concept we are going to learn in this chapters are area of triangle, area of parallelogram, circumference of the circle and area of circle and area of ring. In daily life we need to measure many things, the area of carpet required for our room, cloth for the curtains, length of the boundary for the fencing etc. For all these we need देयर पैरीमीटर और एरिया. इन सब के लिए हमें उसका पैरीमीटर पता होना चाहिए या एरिया पता होना चाहिए. स्टार्ट करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन से. In the previous class we have learned about the perimeter and area of rectangle and square. In this class we will read the area of triangle and parallelogram etc. स्टार्ट करते हैं पैरीमीटर से. The distance around the closed figure. क्लोज फिगर के अराउंड जो डिस्टेंस होती है, टोटल डिस्टेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरीमीटर. द यूनिट ऑफ पैरीमीटर इज the same as the unit of length, such as if the unit of side is meter, then the unit of perimeter is also meter. Next is formula of perimeter. So the formula of perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides, means all three sides. Perimeter of triangle ABC equals to AB plus BC plus CA. Example लेते हैं. Find the perimeter of the following figure. So we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Here the sides, three sides are given. So perimeter of triangle ABC equals to 3 plus 6 plus 7, that is 16 centimeter. Next is area. The amount of the surface within the closed figure is called the area. Unit of area की बात करें तो हमेशा area को हम square unit में express करते हैं, such as if the unit of the length is meter, then unit of area क्या हो जाएगी, square meter. Formula of area. Area of the rectangle length into breadth and area of square side into side. Here the conversion of unit. Unit of length, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, 1 hectometer equals to 100 meter, 1 decameter equals to 10 meter, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Next is unit of corresponding area. Area को हमेशा square unit में express करते हैं, तो जब भी हम convert करेंगे तो ये चीज़ ध्यान रखेंगे कि हमें square में करना है. So whenever we will convert, we have to keep in mind कि area हमेशा square unit में होता है, तो हमें 2 times multiply करना है. 1 kilometer square equals to 1000 meter square. 1 hectometer square equals to 100 into 100 meter square. 1 decameter square equals to 10 into 10 meter square. 1 meter square equals to 100 into 100 centimeter square. 1 meter square equals to 10 into 10 decimeter square. 1 decimeter square equals to 10 into 10 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square equals to 10 into 10 millimeter square. Bigger unit of area. 1 equals to 100 meter square and 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. Area of triangle. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into altitude, 1 by 2 base into height. Let A be an acute angle triangle. So we will draw the perpendicular AD to the base BC. AD एक perpendicular खींचेंगे base BC पे. So area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 2 BD into AD. So area of triangle ADC equals to क्या हो जाएगा, 1 by 2 DC into AD, that is equals to area of triangle ABC. दो ट्राइंगल में डिवाइड करते हैं तो area of triangle ADC and triangle ADB. So 1 by 2 BD into AD plus 1 by 2 CD into AD, base into altitude, 1 by 2 AD into BD plus CD, that is equals to 1 by 2 AD into BC, means 1 by 2 base into altitude. Example लेते हैं. Find the area of triangle PQR which base is 6 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. Base and altitude are given. We know the area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 base into height. So we'll put the respective value. 1 by 2, 6 into 4, that is 12 centimeter square. Practice all the examples. Next is evolution time 12.1. Find the area of the following triangles. So here altitude and base are given. Base is 6 centimeter and altitude is 5 centimeter. So area equals to हो जाएगा 1 by 2 into 6 into 5, base into height, 15 centimeter square. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Consider the parallelogram PQRS to join the P to R. यहाँ पे एक पैरेललोग्राम में PQRS, हमने P को R से ज्वाइन कर दिया है. Diagonals of the parallelogram divide into two equal parts. Two equal parts में divide किया है. So triangle PSR and triangle PQR. Two triangle है, 1 and 2. Triangle PSR equals to क्या हो जाएगा? 1/2 SR into PM. Base into altitude. And area of parallelogram क्या हो जाएगा? That is equals to 2 into triangle PSR. That is equals to 2 into 1/2 into RS into PM. That is equals to SR into PM. In simple, area parallelogram होता है base और height के product के. Next example लेते हैं. In the given figure, PQRS is a parallelogram and PM is perpendicular to RS. If SR is 8 cm and PM is 5 cm, find the area of parallelogram. So area parallelogram क्या होता है? Base into height. So that is equals to हो जाएगा 8 into 5, 40 centimeter square. That is the area of given parallelogram. Next is evolution time 12.2. Find the area of the following parallelogram. So base is given and height is given. Base is here 4 centimeter and height is given, that is 6 centimeter. So area equals to हो जाएगा base into height. That is equals to 6 into 4. 24 centimeter square. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is circumference and area of circle. We have learned about the circle in the previous class. We have also read terms associated with the circle such as radius, diameter, chord, segment, sector, etc. So ये सब हमने previous class में पढ़ा है. In this class, we will learn to calculate the perimeter and area of the circle with the help of formula. Generally, if we want to measure the perimeter of the circular objects like bangle, wheel, etc., then we use a thread. We wrap the thread around the bangle and then the thread is measured with the help of ruler. So, सबसे पहले अगर हमें किसी सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट का जो है हमें मेजर करना है पेरीमीटर, व्हाट विल डू? विल टेक अ थ्रेड एंड उसके अराउंड हम करके देखेंगे कि कितना है एंड देन विल ओपन इट एंड मेजर इट. द लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सर्कल दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्कमफेरेंस. द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कुलर बॉडी दैट इज कॉल्ड द सर्कमफेरेंस. सो पेरीमीटर के इक्वल ही होता है. सर्कमफेरेंस दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर यूनिट. सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला था 2 पाई आर, where r is the radius of the circle, pi is the constant whose value can be taken as 22/7 or 3.14. Circumference equals to pi d. d किसके इक्वल होता है? 2r के. Clear? So r equals to c upon 2 pi और d equals to c upon pi. Perimeter of the semicircle क्या हो जाएगा? 1/2 circumference of the circle plus diameter of the circle. So that is equals to 2 pi r upon 2 plus 2r. So that is equals to pi r plus 2r. Unit of circumference is same as the unit of radius. Circumference और radius की unit same रहेगी. Next is find the circumference of circle whose radius is 14 centimeter. Radius is given, circumference होती है 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7 into 14, that is 88 centimeter. Next is practice all the examples. Next is evolution time 12.3. Find the circumference of the circle whose radius, here we will take pi as 22/7, radius is 7 centimeter. So 2 pi r, circumference 2, pi will take as 22/7 and that is 7. So that is 44 centimeter. Next is find the circumference of the circle whose diameter, here the diameter is given and pi will take as 22/7. Diameter is 2 times of radius. So to find the radius, we will divide the diameter by 2. So that is equals to 2 into 22/7 into 21/2. 66 centimeter. Clear? Next, find the radius of the circle whose circumference is given. Here we will take pi as 3.14. So circumference that is equals to 2 pi r. r equals to c upon 2 pi. So circumference is given 2.64, 2 into 3.14. So that is equals to 0.420 centimeter. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is area of circle. The region enclosed by the boundary of the circle, that is called area. Area of circle होता है pi r square unit. Unit of the area of the circle is square unit or unit square area of ring, that is equals to outer area minus inner area. Here we have taken capital R as the radius of the outer circle and we have taken small r as the radius of the inner circle. Now we'll take an example here. Find the area of the circle whose radius is given 21 centimeter. So we have to find the area. Area equals to pi r square 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. That is equals to 1386 centimeter square. Practice all the examples. ये सारे examples आप practice करेंगे. Next is evolution time 12.4. Find the area of the circle whose radius is given. Pi will take as 22 upon 7. So pi r square. Area equals to pi r square. So that is equals to 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So that is equals to 346.5 centimeter square. Next, find the radius of the circle whose area is. So here area is given. Area here is given 28.26. We have to find the radius pi r square. So here we'll take pi as 3.14. So r square equals to हो जाएगा 28.26 divided by 3.14. So that is equals to decimal से decimal हट जाएगा. That is equals to 9. So r equals to हो जाएगा 3 centimeter. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is look back. The diameter around the closed figure is called the perimeter. The perimeter of triangle, that is equals to sum of all sides. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square 4 into side. The amount of surface enclosed by the closed figure is called the area. The standard unit of area is the square meter or meter square. The bigger unit of the area is an hectare. And 1 equals to होता है 100 meter square and 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. Area of rectangle length into breadth होता है. Area of square side to side. Area of rectangular path, that is equals to outer area of rectangle minus inner area of rectangle. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. Area of parallelogram base into height. Area of rhombus 1 by 2 d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are diagonals. The length of the boundary of the circle is called as circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Pi equals to 22/7 or 3.14. Circumference pi d, where d is the diameter, radius equals to c upon 2 pi. Perimeter of the semicircle pi r plus 2r or pi r plus d. The region enclosed by the boundary of the circle, that is called its area. Area of the circle, that is equals to pi r square. And area of ring pi r square minus pi r square, that is equals to pi r square minus r square. Next, let's recall. So practice all these questions. ये सारे questions आपको practice करने हैं. Next is mental zone. The length of the boundary of the plane figure is called the perimeter. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. The area of the triangle whose base is 9.6 centimeter and the corresponding area altitude is 5 centimeters. So we have to find the area. 1 by 2. Here base is 9.6 and altitude is 5. (96/4). 24 centimeters square. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया and how to practice it.